Hi guys, for today's video, I'll show you the updated way on how to delete your Facebook account. Alright, let's start after this intro. Open your Facebook account. First, itap mo ang menu sa upper right portion. Once you're here, ay mag-scroll down ka at pindutin mo ang settings and privacy. Then, i-click mo ang settings. Now is itap mo itong Meta Account Center. This part guys. Pero just in case na wala kang Meta Account Center na makikita, pwede mong i-type dito sa search bar. Itap ang Meta Account Center. Ngayon ay mag-scroll down ka at hanapin mo ang personal details. Pindutin ang personal details. Now is itap mo ang account ownership and control. Siyempre, ang tutorial na to is about pag-delete ng Facebook account, so piliin mo ang deactivation or deletion. Itap mo ang iyong Facebook profile. Again, this is about pag-delete ng Facebook account, so piliin mo ang delete account. After that, ay i-click ang continue. Now is pumili ka ng reason kung bakit mo i-delete ang iyong account. Pero if ever na wala dyan yung rason mo, you may continue without selecting a reason. After that, pindutin ang continue. Basahin mo muna ang mga info or reminders bago i-delete ang iyong Facebook account. After reading it, ay itap mo ang continue. Para makaproceed ay i-enter mo ang iyong Facebook password. After mo ma-enter ang iyong password ay i-click mo na ang continue. Click again, continue. Take note, kapag itap mo na itong delete account ay after 30 days pa ang deletion process. Kasi just in case na mag-change yung mind mo, so may 30 days ka pa para i-reactivate yung account mo. Alright, kapag okay na ay pindutin mo na ang delete account. Ayan, so na-delete na ang Facebook account. If you learned from this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe now. If you want to learn more about Facebook, ay itap lamang ang mga video na nasa screen. Alright, thanks for watching. God bless, and always remember, live, learn, inspire, value, and enjoy life.